आम्ही गेल्या वर्साक 2019-20 ह्या पिरियडाक 2 क्रिकेट टोर्नामेंट केल्ले GCAचे. एक अंडर 14 आणि अंडर 16. अंडर 14 मल्टी डेज टोर्नामेंट आसलो 2 दिसाचो आणि अंडर 16 एक दिसाचो टोर्नामेंट आसलो, विच वी हॅड ऑर्गनायज सक्सेसफुली. And in that tournament, before the tournament, we had promised, our secretary, Mr. Vipul Phadke, had promised that every school will get a cricket kit from the GCA. And as per the promise, little bit much delay zale because of this pandemic. Actually, we were supposed to have this function last March, but Marchanut lockdown झाल्या कारणान एक 7-8 महिने ते लेट झाले. आणि त्याच्या खातीर आयज आमी 19 स्कुलाक, मुर्मुगांव झोनाचे 19 स्कुलाक किट डिस्ट्रिब्युशन केलं.
तुजे 2 क्वेश्चन आसा. गोंयची क्रिकेटी खातीर कितें करपाचें. आतांच तुमी पळयलें आसतलें की आमी पयलीं म्हणल्यार सगळे स्कूल भुरग्यांक किट दिलां. तातूंत कितें जाता, थोडे भुरग्यांक डिफिकल्टी आसता स्कुलाक, तेंचे खातीर टू एनकरेज किड्स वी हॅव गिवन देम द स्कूल किट. एंड आतां आमी करीबन 9 ग्रावंड असायन करतले सगळे विलेजीन. तातूंत कितें जातलें, क्रिकेट वयर येतलें आनी आमी एक कोच असायन करतले थंय थ्रू GCA पेमेंटाचे थ्रू. आनी हें आमचे कमिटीन प्लॅन केल्लें आसा. आनी ग्रावंड, दुसरो तुजो पॉयंट, ग्रावंड जो आसा इट्स ऑलरेडी इन प्रोसेस. आमी ऑलरेडी ताजे मेजरमेंट्स आनी सगळें जालें एंड व्हेरी सून इट वील बी स्टार्ट, द वर्क वील बी स्टार्ट ओवर देयर.
Huge break because of the pandemic. Today we have distributed kits to the 19 schools from Marmugao. I think we have seen a good performance in the last tournament which we have organized, which was a 2-day tournament. We have changed the entire format. The schools have supported us. The principals have supported us. I think that's a great deal. Also, with the kids, I would like to request all the PE teachers from the school to make the maximum use of it and train the boys to reach the Goa team. Last year, when we saw and we selected few boys from the school, eventually we got only one boy which could play for Goa from the schools. So I think with the kids, it is a type of promotion for the schools, and I want the school PE teachers to work extremely hard when they got these kids and to get some amazing players out of the school which can play for Goa.